With this one product, your windows will shine for a long time. Instead of spending a lot of money on expensive cleaners, you can make your own homemade window cleaning solution that costs almost nothing. Take a large cup and fill it with regular black tea. This type of tea contains tannins that help dissolve dirt and leave no streaks. Pour in warm water and wait for it to steep well, then let it cool. Once brewed, remove the tea bags. Pour the mixture into a larger container. Add the juice of half a lemon, which will help dissolve dirt and give the glass a shine. Then add about 10 fluid ounces of water to dilute it. Prepare a spray bottle with a sprayer. Now pour the mixture into the bottle, close it, and shake. Simply spray the solution on the glass and wipe it down with a microfiber cloth, which will collect all the dirt and excess liquid. Finally, wipe the surface with a dry, preferably paper towel, to avoid streaks and achieve a perfect shine. Your windows will be perfectly clean and gleaming from every side. If you want to know how to get a shine on your windows, this trick will make them look brand new.
Here's a recipe for a fizzing foam that literally squeezes dirt out from the crevices of windows. It's like a magnet pulling it out, even from the tiniest gaps, without any need for scrubbing. Thanks to this, window cleaning becomes quicker, and with this recipe, you'll save a lot of time and frustration. Windows tend to collect quite a bit of dirt over time, and cleaning them can be rather annoying. Here's a straightforward recipe for a foaming cleaning solution. Pour 200 milliliters of vinegar into a spray bottle. Next, add a tablespoon of dishwashing liquid and 100 milliliters of water. Mix it well and seal the bottle tightly. Sprinkle the window frame generously with baking soda. Don't forget to sprinkle it on the metal hardware as well, where stubborn, hard-to-remove dirt tends to accumulate. Now spray the soda with the mixture from the spray bottle. The soda and vinegar will react chemically, creating a fizzing foam. It's almost like magic as it effectively removes dust, even from the tiniest crevices. Additionally, it has whitening and disinfecting properties. Let the foam sit for 5 minutes. Afterward, wipe it off the frame with a damp sponge. It only takes one swipe to make the frame look like new. The foam extracts the dirt and carries it away. The window frame ends up clean, shiny, and snow white without the need to scrub the corners. This simple recipe is cost-effective and highly reliable.
Soak a cotton pad and wipe down your window frames to get rid of a nasty problem. Wipe even the windowsill. There are several reasons why. Not only do your windowsills and frames become cleaner and regain their bright white color, but the main reason is different. Mix equal parts water and vinegar in a spray bottle. This solution has antibacterial properties and is non-toxic, safe for kids and pets. Spray it on your window frames and sills without worry. You can also soak cotton pads and wipe the frames thoroughly. Insects hate the smell of vinegar, and its repellent effect lasts a long time. In the fall, when insects seek shelter, this trick will be your best ally. Just wipe the windows regularly, and insects will stay away. All flying pests will disappear. Plus, your windows will be shiny and streak-free. Your windows will be spotless thanks to using a sanitary pad. All you need is a regular mop and one pad. Remove the pad from its packaging and stick it onto the mop. The surface of the pad absorbs water and dirt perfectly. Spray it with your favorite glass cleaner and wash all the windows in your home. This method allows you to reach even hard-to-access high places. The pad effectively soaks up excess liquid, leaving your windows shiny and streak-free. It works better than many professional tools. This way, you can quickly and easily clean all your windows without any effort. Are you tired of dust and dirt on your windowsill? Make it look like new again. The surface of a windowsill quickly collects dust, greasy residue, and everyday dirt. Keeping it clean can be annoying and requires constant care. So prepare a container and add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda gently removes dirt, cuts through grease, and neutralizes unpleasant odors. Add 1 teaspoon of dish soap. Dish soap effectively dissolves grease and dust, helping remove grime and keeping the surface clean for longer. Now take 1 lemon, cut it in half, and squeeze out the juice. Lemon juice gives the windowsill a natural shine and freshness. It also has antibacterial properties and helps remove buildup and light stains. Mix everything together into a thick paste. Apply it to the windowsill and rub it carefully into every corner. Finally, wipe the surface with a paper towel. It is a quick way to get a clean windowsill. The windowsill and windows will shine, look fresh, and stay protected from dust for weeks. It is a natural and effective mixture that costs almost nothing and works perfectly for affordable window cleaning. All you need is one tablet and your windows will be crystal clear. It's the fastest and most effective way to clean windows right before the holidays. You can easily make it yourself using products found in almost every kitchen. Take a large bowl and drop in one tablet. Pour in about 3 quarts of warm water and stir until the tablet is fully dissolved. Then soak a microfiber cloth in the solution and thoroughly clean the windows. A dishwasher tablet effectively removes dirt, dust, and residue while also polishing the surface, leaving the glass streak-free. For best results, avoid washing windows in direct sunlight, as the solution dries too quickly on warm glass and leaves marks. Frosty conditions are also not recommended. The order of cleaning matters as well. Start with the window frames, then clean the glass, and finish with the windowsills. Finally, dry everything thoroughly, preferably using microfiber cloths, as they do not leave lint or dust behind. This will save you from washing windows for months. Dirty windows after winter are a nightmare for every homemaker, but here's a quick way to get them sparkling clean. This is an effective method for cleaning windows after winter. Prepare a tall container and pour in half a liter of preferably warm, boiled water. Next, add some glycerin, which moisturizes and protects the glass surface. Then add vinegar, which effectively removes dirt and leaves glass shiny. Mix everything thoroughly. Transfer the mixture into a spray bottle and close it. Your homemade window cleaner is ready and perfect for daily use. Spray the windows generously and leave for a moment. Then, take a microfiber cloth and rub the solution over the entire surface. This is the best way to clean windows streak-free and make them shine perfectly. As you can see, the windows are perfectly clean and refreshed. You can enjoy sparkling, streak-free windows after winter. The solution is gentle on frames and leaves no streaks. No need to spend a fortune on expensive products. This onion is all you need to clean a window. It perfectly replaces any glass cleaner and leaves no streaks. Take an onion and cut it in half. Then, start rubbing it on the window, making sure to cover every spot. Onion juice works much better than any cleaner. Now, just grab a microfiber cloth and thoroughly polish the glass. After this trick, you'll get an amazing result. Spotless, streak-free windows, all thanks to a simple onion.